Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel SK Alpha Academy. Hope you are doing great. Today we will discuss role of All India Muslim League. Formation and background 1906. The All India Muslim League was founded on 13 December 1906 at Dhaka. Its main objectives was to protect the political, social, economic and religious rights of Muslims living under British rule in India. 1857 की जंग आज़ादी के बाद मुसलमान सियासी तौर पर कमज़ोर हो चुके थे। उन्हें खदशा था कि जमहूरी निज़ाम में हिंदू अक्सरियत उन पर हावी हो जाएगी और मुसलमानों के मफादात को नज़रअंदाज कर दिया जाएगा। इसलिए मुसलमानों ने एक अलग सियासी जमायत की ज़रूरत महसूस की। Reasons for formation: Muslims had lost political power after 1857. Congress mainly represented Hindu interests. Muslims were backward in education and jobs. Fear of Hindu majority rule. When elections or government jobs were discussed, Muslims realized that without a separate organization, they could not get fair representation. The Muslims League gave them a collective voice. The formation of the All India Muslim League laid the foundation of Muslim political awareness, which later led the Pakistan movement. So it was the formation and background. Now have a look. Protection of Muslim political rights. The Muslim Leagues work to safeguard Muslim interests. ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम लीग का मकसद बरसगीर के मुसलमानों के समाजी, मजहबी और सियासी मफादात का तहफ़्फ़ुज़ करना था। मुस्लिम लीग ने उन पॉलिसियों के खिलाफ आवाज़ उठाई जो मुसलमानों के हुकूक को नज़रअंदाज करती थी या नुकसान पहुंचाती थी। एंड डिमांडेड सेपरेट इलेक्टोरेट्स. द मुस्लिम लीग डिमांडेड सेपरेट इलेक्टोरेट्स so that Muslims could elect their own representatives. This system ensured that Muslims' political opinions were duly represented without interference from the Hindu majority. Ensured fair political representation. मुस्लिम लीग ने असेंबलियों और हुकूमती इदारों में मुसलमानों के मुनसफाना सियासी नुमाइंदगी को यकीनी बनाने के लिए जदोजहद की। उसका मकसद यह था कि मुसलमानों को उनकी आबादी और सियासी हैसियत के मुताबिक नुमाइंदगी मिले। And it gives Muslims a political voice and confidence. By uniting Muslims under one political platform, the Muslims League provided them with a collective political voice. This unity increased Muslim confidence and strengthened their demand for political rights and self-determination. Now have a look. Promotion of Muslim unity. The League united Muslims from different regions, languages and classes under one political platform. ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम लीग ने बरसगीर के मुख्तलिफ इलाकों, ज़बानों और समाजी तबकात से ताल्लुक़ रखने वाले मुसलमानों को एक सियासी प्लेटफॉर्म पर मुत्तहद किया। सकाफती और लसानी इख्तलाफात के बावजूद मुस्लिम लीग ने मुसलमानों को मुश्तरक मकासद के लिए इकट्ठा किया। Muslims from Punjab, Bengal, Sindh, NWFP and Balochistan supports the Muslim League, showing unity beyond regional differences. The unity later became the strength of the Pakistan movement. मुस्लिम लीग ने पैदा होने वाला ये इत्तेहाद बाद में तहरीक पाकिस्तान का असल ताकत बन गया। मुसलमानों के मुत्तहद होने की वजह से वो एक अलहदा वतन का मजबूत मुतालबा करने में कामयाब हुए, जिसके नतीजे में 1947 में पाकिस्तान वजूद में आया। The 1946 elections clearly showed Muslims' unity when the Muslims League won almost all Muslim seats. Muslim unity under the Muslim League transformed scattered Muslims into a powerful political nation. Let's discuss leadership of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Under Quaid-e-Azam, the Muslim League transformed into a powerful and disciplined party. Under the dynamic leadership of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the All India Muslim League was transformed into a strong, organized and disciplined political party. His leadership brought unity, clarity and purpose of League. After Jinnah's return to active politics in 1930, the Muslim League gained strength and direction. Jinnah recognized the League. कायद-ए-आज़म ने मुस्लिम लीग को मुनज़्ज़म किया, उसकी तंजीमी ढांचे को मजबूत बनाया और पूरे बरे-सगीर में उसकी शाखें फ़हाल की। उन्होंने मुस्लिम लीग को एक महदूद जमायत से एक मुअस्सर सियासी तंजीम बना दिया। Provincial and district level Muslims League branches were established. and he also made it a mass movement. Quaid-e-Azam transformed the Muslims League into a mass movement by directly appealing to common Muslims. He mobilized students, workers, women, and farmers, making the League a true representative of Muslim nation. Public rallies and gatherings after the Lahore Resolution 1940, and he gave Muslims clear political direction. Quaid-e-Azam provided Muslims with a clear political direction by defining their goals and future. His demand for a separate homeland gave Muslims a clear vision and political purpose. He became the sole spokesman of Indian Muslims. Due to his honesty, strong principles, and leadership, Quaid-e-Azam emerged as the sole spokesman of India Muslims. The British government and Congress recognized him as the true representative of Muslims' political interest. His leadership in the Round Table Conference. Quaid-e-Azam leadership turned the Muslim League into the driving force behind the creation of Pakistan. It was the leadership of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Have a look, Pakistan Revolution 1947. In 1947, the Muslim League passed the Pakistan Revolution at Lahore. मार्च 1940 में ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम लीग ने लाहौर में होने वाले अपने सालाना इजलास में करारदार पाकिस्तान मंजूर की। ये तारीखी करारदार बरे सगीर के मुसलमानों को सियासी मुतालबा का वाज़ेह इज़हार थी। The resolution was presented by A.K. Fazlul Haq at Minto Park, now Minar Pakistan. It demanded a separate homeland for Muslims. करारदार पाकिस्तान में बरे सगीर के मुस्लिम अक्सरियती इलाकों में मुसलमानों के लिए एक अलहदा वतन का मुतालबा किया गया। यह मुतालबा दो कौमी नज़रिए पर मुबनी था, जिसके मुताबिक मुसलमान एक अलग कौम हैं। Muslims majority regions like Punjab, Bengal, Sindh and NWFP were included in the demand. The resolution became the foundation of Pakistan. The Pakistan Resolution became the ideological and political foundation of Pakistan. It provided Muslims with a clear constitutional goal and united them under one national objective. All future Muslims League's policies were shaped around the resolution. It changed Muslims' politics forever. The Pakistan Resolution permanently changed Muslim politics by shifting the focus from minority rights to complete independence. After 1940, Muslims' politics revolved around the demand for Pakistan. The 1946 elections proved this change when Muslims overwhelmingly supported the Muslims League. And the Pakistan Revolution transformed a political demand into a national struggle for independence. Now let's discuss role in freedom struggle. The Muslim League negotiated with the British. ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम लीग ने मुसलमानों की सियासी हकूक़ के हसूल के लिए बरतानवी हुकूमत से मुज़ाकरात किए। मुसलमान लीग ने एक आइनी गुफ्तगू और मुज़ाकरात के ज़रिए मुसलमानों के मुतालबात पर अमन और जमहूरी अंदाज में पेश किए। Participation in the Round Table Conference opposed Congress domination. The Muslim League strongly opposed the political domination of the Indian National Congress. It believed that Congress represented Hindu interests and could not safeguard Muslim rights in a united India. Opposition to Congress ruled during the Congress ministries 1937 to 39. Represented Muslims in constitutional talks. मुस्लिम लीग ने तमाम अहम आइनी मुज़ाकरात में मुसलमानों की नुमाइंदगी की। इसने मुसलमानों के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ात पेश किए और इस बात को यकीनी बनाया कि मुसलमानों की रजामंदी के बगैर कोई आइनी फैसला कबूल न किया जाए। Gibbs Mission and Cabinet Mission talks. A peaceful struggle led to the creation of Pakistan in 1947. The Muslim League followed a peaceful constitutional and democratic struggle. This non-violent movement successfully led to the creation of Pakistan on 14th August 1947. Mass public support in the 1947 election. The Muslim League constitutional struggle turned the dream of freedom into reality. And in the last achievement of Pakistan 1947. Achievement of Pakistan 1947. Due to the leadership and sacrifices of the Muslim League, the leadership struggle and sacrifices of the All India Muslim League played a decisive role in achieving Pakistan through unity, determination, and continuous efforts. The League guided Muslims toward their ultimate goal. Sacrifices made during elections, protests, and political movement. Muslims gained an independent state. मुस्लिम लीग की कोशिशों के नतीजे में मुसलमानों को एक आज़ाद वतन हासिल हुआ। ये रियासत इसलिए कायम की गई ताकि मुसलमान अपने दीन, सकाफत और इक़दार के मुताबिक ज़िंदगी गुजार सकें। Establishment of Pakistan on 14th August 1947. Pakistan emerged as a sovereign country. Pakistan emerged as a sovereign country with its own government, constitution, and authority. It ended centuries of political subjugation and gave Muslims control over this destiny. Quaid-e-Azam became the first Governor General of Pakistan. This was the greatest success of the Muslim League. The creation of Pakistan in 1947 was the greatest achievement of the All Muslim League. It transformed Muslims from a political minority into an independent nation on the world map. The Muslim League leadership and sacrifices turned a political struggle into the reality of an independent Pakistan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more informational content. Turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.